it's a female artist, so I say yes. Everybody about broke out. The only person I say about Chanel Muir, you understand? But
yeah, she come with something different.
She come with some style different and broke out mentality. Now
yeah.
some about the skin out and take this and take
everybody has the same. So Chanel Muir, like originality, kind of give some storytelling.
She give some local story. No, you know, say that story they are real.
A real
reality.
thing. Yeah.
Cause the man them out here mean, you know. Very mean. Them motherfucker part to go do money pull up on every song.
There's a man that ask woman to buy them liquor now.
No man can ask me that. I fast as him not even see me.
You're gone.
I'm gone.
It's like a bad word him tell you.
I just my cologne alone, but that's smell. Like if I put on out there for make him smell it too.
Yeah. Okay, so it's only a bona fide man, you know, spend our money upon.
What's a bona fide man? We'll never get that from. I will never find that one there from now in this idea. Yeah.
So the last thing you buy a man, tell me.
My cell phone expensive.
No man, you must buy a man a cologne. You know, somebody a rate, you buy him a cologne, something.
Yeah,
one shirt.
Somebody something.
So what the last thing you buy?
The last thing I buy.
Yeah.
What that again? I don't remember. I'm not choose to remember I pass.
Yeah. Oh God. Alright, so boy, it seems like you get like hurt now your pass though. You have a X-ray. You hurt you all okay.
And one of them, I only for them.
It's a only for them.
The whole of them hurt me because me just come like, I'm too nice.
So it's right now in your life in a bad relationship then?
No sir. I just become the bad virgin and
yeah.
I'm not caring nobody wants.
So for the summer,
I just outside.
Outside it is. Straight outside.
Straight outside.
And no matter how them come in a sweet talk, you know fall feet.
I'm more sweeter.
Yeah.
Very much sweeter.
So when I come with the money, a bad word, everything else a bad word.
I'm gonna give Chiney props to rating.
Yeah.
Because everyone at the next album, them depend skin out and fear one say, you have to give your money.
Yeah.
So I like that part, so fear look flex more different.
So what you feel about married man? Like what a woman in prefer a relationship with married man? They say it's much easier.
Well, you know, stress.
It's less stress.
Less stress.
You have to go home to him wife.
I have to go home to him wife. She occupy him time.
Oh God. There's a married man over the single man them right now. Single man want you all the while. Too much.
No, not all the while. Them act like them not do no. When they do with married man, they don't say Maggie Bun say just have to just stay and stay your ground.
Right.
If you not accept it, you just do. Go in night.
Right. So I want to the wife them ever try link you yet that them find out about you and
them can't find out about me, you know.
Yeah.
Because I be the perfect sister in your life.
Right. You say your number come up as sister.
Perfect best friend. All when you're not, then you still can't call me.
You're the cousin.
You know, so something just me like get idea.
Help him out.
Assist you.
Oh gosh, yes. Man. You're the perfect what you call it. I know wingman, wingwoman. Yo, sir.
I don't know, stuck up type.
Yeah. Alright, so when it come on to sex now, where you're like your man, I'm aggressive or enough love making.
I'm not fancy that. I'm not fancy that.
Yeah, I just say a balance. You like a little,
balance.
A little everything.
The first one make the rose and the little ties and me for stop because why it kill my nature for man, I swear. I swear that kill my nature for man.
So the rose that perform better than the man them right now.
Oh dear.
Oh God.
And the rose them not give no. Because rose they are hard and it put on. Can't put on no man till and him gone a road.
Yeah.
As him shave him gone, go do him I do.
Yeah.
You charge a rose, it have to stay there until you're ready for charge it back.
The rose always there.
It's secure.
Oh gosh man. So but from time to time you must feel, you want a little comfort, a little hug. So that's why you still have a use for a man.
Yeah, I'm a picnic.
You say hug up your pen?
Hug up my picnic, I'm a killer. And if I want somebody for customer, just go cuss my mother, so it's a man. You can't take stress.
How much children you have?
My girl.
Just like how old
Just
she
a
is?
little girl. She has 5. So.
Okay. At the age where she pull on everything now, she pull on the house and I fear her house right now.
The 12. Because she didn't stress me, give her back stress too.
Yeah. They say she ball, you ball too.
Yes, I'm pinning love when you do that. Because when you do that, them stop them nice. Because them come to you and say, Mommy, hush, hush.
Yeah.
But no, you know them like a style.
Yeah, man. They use
when you see she ball, you just ball too.
Yeah, and then she come
Mommy,
hush
what
you.
wrong with you? Hush, Mommy, hush. Who lick you? Who trouble you?
So you want more children? You'd like to have more?
If the right person.
The right person.
The right person.
Yeah. So you don't want a boy this time, or no matter boy and girl?
It no matter, you know, if a man is a good father, me I go get.
Yeah.
And you know, me no matter the gender.
Yeah. I notice woman get turned on to like when I bring woman. When my son was like a big man now, when he was a youth, I used to bring him around women. Women like they turn on because them say, oh, me's a good father, so them rape me. I notice me used to get more woman because of that. Because I say, no, you're a good father, Ras. Yeah. So woman, I notice they like them thing there. Like when man take care of them pitney them. Yeah. So big up to their fathers there too. So big up to the good father them out there. You see me? You see it? Chiney.